Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and foolproof way to check your Hotmail inbox using the Hotmail web interface. Whether you're a longtime user or just getting started, this guide will make sure you can access your emails quickly and securely. Let's dive in. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Outlook login page. Yes, Hotmail is now fully managed through Outlook by Microsoft, so this is where all your Hotmail emails live. Make sure you're using a secure connection like HTTPS to keep your account safe. Next, click the Sign In button and carefully enter your Hotmail email address and password. Double check the spelling and make sure caps lock is off. Login issues are often just simple typos. Once you've entered your credentials correctly, hit Sign In. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Outlook homepage. Keep your password confidential and avoid sharing your device with others if possible. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation pane. This is where you can move between different sections like calendar, sent items, and more. To see your emails, click the home button if you're not already there, then locate the inbox folder at the top of the left sidebar. Clicking it will display all your received messages in one place, ready for you to read, reply, or manage. Once inside your inbox, you can browse through your emails, open them, or sort them by date, sender, or subject. For faster access in the future, consider bookmarking the Outlook login page. And if you ever forget your password, Microsoft provides support tools to help you regain access safely. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Hotmail inbox using the web interface. It's quick, easy, and secure. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.